Hey y'all, I need to get some vacuuming done. Out of 70 something vacuums, I'm starting to kind of have a hard time deciding which one to use. So after chatting with Alex Kretzmer, he has suggested the Hoover Decade 800. However, I'm still greatly attached to my Hoover Convertible 700. So what I'm going to be doing is some vacuuming in the dark with both of them. There's my beloved black. I call it black, but it's really charcoal. Hoover Decade 800. There's the convertible 700. Both very lovely machines. Have the same bag, pretty much. The 800 has the air freshener, and the 700 doesn't. It's just got a plain old gray top. But technically, it really isn't fully dark outside. It's still light. But once I turn off the overhead light, it will look dark. But just so you guys know, I'm not totally in the dark, but it's going to look like it on film. So here's my trusty fan remote. I'm going to move this over. I'm going to turn off the light, and we're going to get started right now with the 700. Hopefully my dog will move. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to start the 800 up right behind it. There's my roommate's door. I say I do some power surge right at it. That should get his attention. And there we have it. We have a clean house and a rattled roommate. So I think my job's done here. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. See you next time.